Hi everybody, welcome to Electrogyani. I am Dr. Urvashi Singh and I am here to solve all the problems regarding Zener diode. In the previous video, we have seen how to find the Zener diode current in the voltage regulator circuit. So let's continue with a new circuit and a new problem. In voltage regulator circuit, we have seen that Zener diode is connected in parallel of the load resistance. That's why it provides or it maintains a constant voltage across the load. Now, today I have taken a problem where the input voltage is varying. If it is written that determine range of input voltage, that means the input voltage is varying. Let's note down that our input voltage is variable. What else parameters are constant? Here Zener diode voltage is constant. Look, we need to find the range of input voltage that will maintain Zener diode in on state. That means now Zener diode voltage is constant at 20 volt. And also the maximum current that can pass through it is given, that is 60 milliampere. So students, if a voltage across load is constant and the value of the load is also constant, then the current passing through it, that is the IL current. If I say this is IL current. So what about this IL current? This IL current will obviously become constant. See, this is the voltage drop, 20 volt, okay, and this load 1.2 kilo ohm. So let's solve it and find. So this will be 200 upon 12. So it is 50 upon 3, okay, milliampere. So this load current is now constant. Now here can you tell me that if input voltage is varying, means it has a minimum voltage, then it can go up to certain maximum voltage. What other factors are going to vary with it? At this point, the voltage is varying from some level to another level, but at this point, voltage is constant. So this Is will also accordingly vary. That means Vi minimum will give you Is minimum and Is maximum. This is one important factor that you have to note it. This Is current is splitting into Iz and IL. If IL is constant, then Is will also affect the Zener current. So Is minimum will give you some Zener knee current, load current is constant. Is maximum will give you Iz max plus load current. So these are the important factors. Okay, this is just basic circuit theory, nothing else. Okay, now let's find out the range of input voltage. First of all, let's find Vi minimum. Now we know that Vz, the Zener voltage. What is the Zener voltage? It is the voltage across RL and the total resistance in the circuit is Rs plus RL. Okay, and this is our Vi minimum. Using this relation, we can find Vi minimum Rs plus RL upon RL into Vz. Let's put the values. So in this way, we get the minimum input voltage. Now the next is finding the maximum input voltage. Now we know that the maximum input voltage will increase the current passing through this resistance Rs. That will also give you the maximum voltage drop across this resistance because Vz is constant. Okay, so Vi max can be written as Vs max plus Vz. Okay, so now we know that Vz, but we don't know Vs max. So Vs max is Is max and multiplied by this resistance Rs. Rs is constant, but we don't know Is max. So here I am going to use the second important factor regarding the current relation. Look here. So yeah, this second factor. Is max is equals to Iz max plus load current. So let's use it. This is IZ max, and the IL value, I think that was 50 upon 3 milliampere. So this is maximum IS current. Okay, now finding the VS max. So VS max is 76.67 milliampere multiplied by this RS value is 220 ohm. It is 16,867, so in milli. Okay, so I'll write 16.87. Okay, milli will get cancelled, so this is 16.87 voltage VS max. Now VZ is constant, so VI max simply 16.87 plus 20 volt. So this is 36.87 volt. So this is our answer. See how simply it gets solved if you know the basics of circuit theory. अगर आपको छोटे छोटे basics आपको पता है तो Zener diode voltage regulator की problem नहीं रहेगी. I hope you understand how to solve this problem, and in the next video I'll take another problem on Zener diode. So stay tuned, subscribe my channel and share with your friends also, and please give me your feedback in the comment section. That motivates me and also improves my teaching skill on online platform. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.